Happy morning, senior kids. Once again, I welcome you all in the EVS class. And today in EVS class, we are going to learn about an important person, and they are important professionals, and they are the banker and the clerk. Okay, children. So far, this whole month we are learning about different professionals. We have started with community helpers, medical professionals, people who are working in air traffic controller, and then we have moved on to the border protectors, and then cines professionals. Then we have seen the meteorologist. Okay, so we have learned about many professionals. So today we are going to learn about very important professionals that we we go to them, we do some activity with them, and we get some interest on that. Okay, children. So who are they, and what is their job, and how do they do their job? We are going to see. Okay, but before that, I am going to narrate you a short story. Once there was a man, a farmer. Okay, farmer, you know, na, the one who works in the field. Farmer. He cropped his land, and after that he earned some money from the land. Okay, so he took some money for his purpose, for his for using it in some buying some purchasing some things, and after that he had some extra money in his hand. So what did he did? What do you think? What did he do with that money? So he went to the bank and he talked to the banker, and banker said, you can deposit the money in the bank. Okay, then he asked, how safe is my money in the bank? How do I know that my money is all safe in the bank? So that banker said that your money is all safe in the bank if you deposit your money in a savings, as a saving, then we are going to give an interest with that amount. Okay, so he deposited the money, and after some time he saw that his account, in his bank account, he had some extra amount. And what do you think? Was the banker a magician who gave him some extra money, or he is so rich that he had given money from his own earnings? Is that so? No. So banker is not a magician. Banker is not so rich. Okay, children. So banker, it's their work. It's their job. What do they do? If people come to the bank and they deposit the money in the bank, so from the banker's side, what did they do? They give some interest. Okay, and not only that, we had deposited the amount in the bank, means they will provide us with an account book, or the saving book, we say. So this is a picture of saving book. See it? So in this book, whenever we deposit the amount or the money in the bank, they will enter in the book that this much of money we have. And not only this, the banker will provide us with the debit card, credit card, or the ATM card, so that we can use that cards at any time, at anywhere, and whenever we want to take the money. Okay, you had, I believe that children, you had all seen the debit card, credit card and all. While shopping, your dad must have used that card, your mom must have used that card to purchase the things, right children? So this is a picture of debit card. So we use this debit card to swipe, we swipe it in a swiping machine, and after that we pay the money. Okay children, so this is the job of banker. So in every day-to-day life, what do we do? If we have some extra money in our hands, we won't keep it with us. We will deposit in the bank, so that we may have, we use it for the future years. Not only this, we also deposit the amount in the money in the bank as the life saving account also. Okay children, in education, bankers also provide us education loans. They give us home loans to get the money from the bank, and we can have a very own home. We can have a very own car and all. Okay children, so this is the profession of banker. So banker in the bank, They work for the people. Okay, and along with the banker comes the clerk. So this is the picture of banker. So you can see that banker sitting in the office and working, and this is the picture of clerk. So clerk, how do they are working with the public? You can see the people who are standing outside. They are showing the slip or the receipt or the challan sheet, we say. They are showing it to the clerk. Okay, so this is how the bankers work. Okay, children. So today also we are going to make a takeaway of piggy bank, and it is why do we make the piggy bank? Because we make it and we will deposit our savings in that piggy bank. Okay, shall we do? So this is the takeaway cover, and from the takeaway cover I am going to take out the piggy bank cutout. It is pink in color. Since it's piggy bank, so it's pink in color, and a face of piggy. Okay. Now what are we going to do is, let's keep this face aside. Take the Fevicol. Now it's a tail. Keep it aside also. First you are going to make the bank. So you could see that there will be crease in each square. So first we'll start by making it. Okay. So first we'll do this foldings. Okay. So this is the opener. First we'll do this folding. For that we need to apply the gum here. And place it on it. Place this, squash it on it, and hold it for 2-3 seconds so that it may get stick well. Okay, so this is now ready. Now we will fold this part. So this part will go inside like this. Can you see? This part will go inside. Now you need to apply the gum in the corner, in the edge of this sheet. Like this. And here. Like this. So in 3 sides of the box. And fold it inside. So in the back side you have to fold it inside and you have to stick it. If you find difficult to stick, then what you have to do, open this side and insert your hand and press it at the end like this. In the end you can press it so that it will stick. Now on the top, apply the gum here on the top. Fold it and stick it. So you need to hold it for 2-3 minutes so that it may stick well. Keep it aside for 2 minutes. Now take the face of the piggy. Apply the gum on the back side. Stick it on one side. The hole should be facing on the top. So you need to stick the face like this. Okay, so face is all done, and next we need to stick the tail. Before sticking the tail, you need to twist the tail, roll the tail like this, fold it here, apply the gum, and then stick it here. Okay, so your favorite piggy bank is all ready. Okay, so like this children, you make your very own piggy bank. You can deposit your coin or money in this, okay, and you can have your savings. Okay children, so what are you waiting for? So kids, take out your piggy bank, take away from the cover and make your very own piggy bank. Okay, you could deposit the amount also in it. So do this activity, take a picture of it and send it in the group. And I hope that today you had enjoyed your class today, because today we had learned about the profession barker and the club. Okay, so with this I am coming to an end of this class. It's your Amanda saying bye and take care.